Chainsaw Man, episode 3. You already know the vibes, and if you knew the vibes, then you know the voob. So, Chainsaw Man, episode 3. Mioi's whereabouts. Let's get it. You already know the vibes. If the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. You know?
Mature audiences. Viewer discretion advised.
Alright, so basically what was going on was, they kind of got in trouble for killing that dude. Killing like the little devil the way they killed it, and she tried to lie on Chainsaw Man and say like he told her to do it, which he didn't, because like he didn't know what's going on. He didn't tell her to do it, whatever. And so now they're getting like a drink or whatever, and he's just being thirsty as he always is, thinking about titties and shit. And she's like, yo, I had a cat, but the devil took my cat, and the cat might be dead, but the cat might not be dead at the same time type vibe. And he like, damn, I'm really just trying to touch some titties. That's sad, though. Like, I get it if it was a dog, but I am trying to touch tits. And she like, you could touch tits if you help me find my cat. And he like, shit, that nigga turned up, bro. That nigga Dr. Jekyll than Mr. Hyde. He said, we gon' find that cat right now, oh God! I'm gonna kill that devil on me type vibe. And there we are. You know the vibes. That's where we are. That's where we are. Right there.
It's just a scary picture.
Basically, nothing really happened in those scenes. They just were on the subway. Oh yeah, hold up. Let me move this. Basically, nothing really happened in those scenes. They were just on the subway to go fight the dude. She said she couldn't fight him because every time she tries to fight him, he like uses her cat as a shield, and obviously she doesn't want her cat to die or whatever. So that was pretty much that. And then Shorty that rescued Chainsaw Man, I'm sorry, I'm bad with names, but Shorty that rescued Chainsaw Man, she said she was just doing her interview, whatever, with the higher ups, and she said she has one that's promising and one that's interesting, and then they told her don't get too attached. Nothing nothing really happened, you know. I don't know, that was pretty weird to me. Nothing really happened in that little scene though. Alright, so basically, and that's it. Basically she set him up, you know, like, and I was thinking, why would he go up there? Why would she follow him up there if the dude said he uses her cat? So I was thinking like, yo, it's gotta be a setup. Turns out to be a setup. Yeah, it turned out to be a setup. Squeezed the nigga. Got some of his blood. I'm thinking he's saying the blood disgusting because nigga's part devil for real. But I guess blood's just disgusting. But yeah, it says the blood's disgusting, blah blah blah. And then Now, she's like, oh, silly humans, you guys are all so foolish type vibe, type shit like that, but whatever, and but like, you know, like whatever, fuck it. But what I think is gonna happen, this is before I see it, what I think is gonna happen, well, obviously I think he's gonna turn to a chainsaw, do his thing, and then blah, 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 but yeah, that's what I think is gonna happen, fuck it. Also, she really did have a cat. Okay.
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだだったな。
にゃーこ。にゃーこ。うぬの名はにゃーこじゃ。
Yo, I thought she was about to feed the cat a cow, cause I was about to bug out, bro. I was about to bug out.
にゃーこを殺すのが楽しみじゃな。
血の悪魔よ、血が足りない。猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい。
The nigga grabbed the cat. The bat grabbed the cat just like that with leaking blood and you didn't hear it. You deserve to get your cat grabbed, like, you goofy ass fucking bitch. What the fuck? You goofy ass bitch, you deserve to get your cat grabbed, you dumbass
もう
bitch.
撫でれんと言っとったな。うぬの
めだな。メインは肉好きのいい男。デザートは妊婦がいい。
俺の胸返せ。
On the game! Cuz say, give my tits back, bitch!
とっとと逃げろ。
Yo, this nigga's strong.
人間を逃がすようなやつに。これは切れるか。
Yo, this nigga can catch cars and
そ
shit.
こはの怪力。その力でなぜ人間を助ける。
誰が助けたって野郎の命なんだ。死ぬか。
Yo, that nigga dropped a booty hole from his mouth.
「まずは回復だ。タバコ臭い血だが今は許す。
Squeezing the soul out of that man.
なぜ生きてる。
散々な目ばっかあってよ。
That nigga's fingers are
しかして
fucked.
ねえのに。
Look at his fingers.
まだ人もみもしてねえんだよ。
Yo, he's doing all this off the power of literally wanting to feel a tit or he might fall.
近寄るな。
Oh no, he's up. His eye? Oh. Oh shit, if the party not lit, then I'd rather not go, nigga. If the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. That was a crazy ass fight scene right there, man. Yo, if that party not lit, then I'd rather not go.